Why in the world are you signing another lease agreement? Drop that pen and listen up, because today I'll be giving you the top 5 reasons why you should consider buying a home over renting. What's up, guys? My name is Kevin Ramsamy, founder of Affinity Group over at eXp Realty, helping people buy, sell, and invest homes in the greater Cleveland area. Let's get into it. Hold up, rewind real quick. Before we get into it, I'd like to give a quick disclaimer that this video is not for everyone. Depending on your financial situation right now, it might actually make more sense or be easier to rent versus buying right now. I'll throw it up on the screen right here. But here are some reasons why you should think about renting over buying. So 1, you'll be living in the area for a short amount of time. You're there for an internship, co-op, etc. 2, you need the flexibility, or you're constantly on the go and you're not able to maintain the entire house. 3, you're saving for a down payment on a home. 4, you're building your credit. Similarly to 3, you're building your credit to qualify for a loan. Number 5, your job isn't long-term, or you don't have a steady stream of income just yet, or you're self-employed for under 2 years. If any of these apply to you, I would still recommend watching this video entirely just to know when the time is right for you to finally make that move. Now, let's get into the top 5 reasons of why you should consider buying a home over renting. Number 1 is that you plan to stay in the area for over 2 years. If you're committed to the area, you're most likely going to be committed to the home, and vice versa. If you're not committed to the area, you probably won't be committed to a stable home just yet. Purchasing a home for the first time can be a huge commitment, and for most people, a long-term investment. If you plan on staying in the area for more than 2 years, that means you're most likely tied down to the area. You have a family that you're raising, or you have a job that you're willing to commit to. That being said, it's comforting knowing that you have a place that you can call home, that you have that personal headquarters where you don't have to worry about landlords, property managers, and you can just worry about living your life and enjoying your time there. Number 2, and this one should go without saying, but are you financially ready to buy the home? 1, is your credit score good, or at least average? 560 or above is usually a good determining factor. With the higher the credit score, the better the rates from your loan company. 2, do you have enough for a down payment on the home itself? And 3, are you showing enough stable and steady income to be able to show the mortgage company that you're able to pay your mortgage payments on time and in full? Alex actually made a video on this one. It'll be dropping on Thursday. However, there's a sneak preview up here. I'll throw it up for you guys. And yeah, definitely check that out. He talks about all the monies involved in a transaction for real estate. I think it's super helpful, and I think it'll help you guys out too. Now, before I continue on to number 3, please consider leaving a like and comment down below, and even subscribing to our YouTube channel if you enjoy our content. This will help us find you and help you find us in the future, and also help us grow our page so we can help more people down the road. Number 3, and I think this one is a game changer as of lately, but the mortgage rates are insanely low. They're at a historic low right now, with, if you're qualified and you have good credit, as low as 2.625% for FHA, or 2.75% we've seen lower for conventional loans. If you compare this to past years, you'll realize that this is free money for you guys. I know all this mortgage talk, it sounds difficult, it sounds confusing. So we're going to actually be making an entire series later on in the future that talks about mortgage and the mortgage process, what it involves, how to calculate a mortgage payment, and what you need to qualify for a mortgage. Okay, so definitely look out for that. But for now, just know that the third reason why buying a home right now is better than renting is because the mortgage payments are so low. So number 4, this one kind of ties it with number 3, but you are building equity when you purchase your own home. With every mortgage payment, you build more and more equity as you go down the line. While paying rents actually grant you no ownership in the property whatsoever, mortgage payments today are similar to rent payments. We've seen sometimes even lower than rent payments. So instead of paying the rent that goes to another, company or the landlord, you can just pay a mortgage payment that goes to the loan company that gave you the money in the first place to buy the home, and you're also building equity on top of that. So when you purchase a home, you're able to build equity and scale with the homes in the area. So many people don't know this, but if you were to improve your property and sell it in the future for more than what you paid for it, all you owe the lender is how much they loaned you to pay for your home in the first place. The rest is all your profit. So number 5, and one I think that is super important, is that you're able to create a safe living space for your family and yourself, as well as you're able to have the creative freedoms that weren't available to you when renting. This can be things such as, gardening, you can paint, you don't have to worry about getting permission to hang things up in your house or decorating how you'd like. All this creative freedom is yours. You don't have to worry about tenants in the area. You don't have to worry about neighbors being noisy right next to you or upstairs or downstairs. The home is all yours, and with some places have specific limitations, you're able to do whatever you'd like to it in a creative way. At the end of the day, it all boils down to what you value the most and whether you're financially ready to make that first step into buying over renting a home. To recap, the 5 reasons why you should consider buying over renting, I'll throw it on the screen right now. 1, you plan to live in the area for quite a while. 2, you're financially sound, including credit, income, and down payment. 3, you plan on taking advantage of low mortgage rates while they're still around. 4, you want to contribute to your own wealth versus making a landlord/management company more rich. 5, you value your own space and creative freedoms. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Those are the top 5 reasons why you should consider buying a home versus renting. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you guys have to say. My DMs are always open if you have any questions about real estate, or if you know anybody that's interested in the market right now or looking to buy, sell, or invest. I'll put my number and email on the screen. Feel free to reach out whenever you'd like, okay? Until next time, talk to you guys soon. Peace.